What's going on, guys? Picsoleated here, back at it again with another video. Today we're doing something a little different. As you can see, we've got a little box right here. All right, it's not a little box, it's a little bigger than a little box. It's a big box. It's taking up pretty much the entire frame. The good people at Under Armour were gracious enough to send me another package. I'm really excited to see what's in here. As you can see, I have it flipped upside down because all the information's on the other side. I'm not trying to get y'all to like jump me or figure out where I live and like jump me. But I'm really excited to open this package, and I really hope these are what I think they are. I also want to clear this frame up because this box takes a lot of space, so let's do this. Unboxing sequence commence. Guys, this is so dope. I don't know what to say about this packaging, but this packaging is really cool. At first I thought it was a gift wrap, but it kind of looks like a candy wrapper. I don't think it's meant to be a candy wrapper, but it definitely looks like it. Got the Under Armour branding right there. It just feels like a giant Ziploc bag. Got some text on the back. All right, this is pretty much gonna give it away. I don't know if it's in frame right now. I'm gonna try to put it in frame. It says UA Hover, which is, you know, it's pretty much, it's the shoe. It's the shoe. The shoe's called the Hover. All right, there, you have it. Hover lifts you, son, because it lifts you. Oh, so it says UA Hover lifts you up. There's a up there. I didn't see the up. Listen, guys, this lighting's a little off. All right, let's get this bad boy open. How do I open this? It's got a little slit here, so we know how to open this. Oh my God, this box is insane. What is this? What? Guys, is this the Hover Tech? Is this a box made of Hover Tech? Nah, it's just styrofoam. Guys, this is really cool. So they sent the Hover sneakers in this styrofoam box right here. It's got Hover branding on it. It's black. It looks really cool. I don't really know how to open it just yet, but I'm really excited. I love the way they've packaged this so far. They've been pulling out all the stops, and I'm excited. I'm really happy. Whoop. There goes the top. Top come off. There's a bunch of tech stuff here. We've got this little pamphlet with all the Hover sneaker information, Hover Tech, step in comfort, energy return, all those little details. And it tells you about the UA Hover Plus Map My Run. If you're an avid runner, you know about this app. It's called the Map My Run app. It pretty much tracks everything you do, which means these are the connected version of the UA Hover, which means they have the connected technology in them. So they pair with your phone with that app directly to the shoe, straight out of the box. Now that is fire. I don't run that much, but I think that's a dope added value. I think that's amazing for actual runners. And especially when you have new tech like this, it's always great to make it accessible to the people that you're actually marketing it to. So that's awesome. I don't even run, but I might just try this app out and draw some shit on the map if it maps my run. You know what I'm saying? All right, on to the meat and potatoes, the shoes of the hour. Get this tissue paper out of here. Whew. What? They sent me this colorway? These are actually so dope. I'm so glad they sent me these. They sent me the black colorway with the cement looking midsole. It's a white midsole, but it's got this gray pattern on it. These are pretty much the breads of this sneaker. These are pretty much the breads of the Hover. So if you're into bread, you're into that black red colorway, this is it, guys. This is the one to get. Although there is a cream one that I think is really dope too. Let's move this out of the way. Now I'll save most of the details for the full review when I do an on foot and everything, but we'll go over some of the basics right now. These are really dope. I think sizes are beginning to sell out, so I will leave a link in the description below if you do want to check them out. So a brief overview of the sneakers. These are the UA Hover Phantom. This is the mid top. There is a low top version called the UA Hover Sonic. I'm glad I got the mid top version because I love mid tops. As I've mentioned several times in the past, I'm a fan of high tops and mid tops over low tops most of the time. It's got a knitted toe box, which is actually really soft to the touch. I have previous Under Armour shoes with the thread-borne knit, and it doesn't feel as soft as these. I'm not sure if this is thread-borne or not, but this is a really soft knit, and I appreciate that. I think this is really dope. It's going to be very breathable. Oh yeah, that's really soft. And it goes all the way up through the toe box, so that's really dope. It's got these more rigid and fortified side panels. I'm not really sure what they're made of, but they're also very breathable. It's not like they're super thick. They're not super stiff, so they're not going to hurt your feet, but they do add that little bit of rigidity to keep your foot in place and to protect your foot. We have these flat black laces with red speckles in them. We've got this heel counter with the Under Armour logo. A lot of people are probably going to say this looks a little similar to a different brand's shoes heel counter, but I gotta say, I think that's a little unfair to say because a lot of running shoes have similar features that allow them to be running shoes, and a heel counter is one of them. I think this looks really dope on here as well. This cement midsole is definitely my favorite thing on the shoe right now. Like, I love looking at it. I think it looks sick. And this is the whole hover cushioning system. Now, this foam midsole is made of a proprietary foam compound made in partnership with a chemical company known as Dow Chemical. Doesn't that name just remind you of the stock market? I always hear Dow Jones. I don't even know if that's related actually, but Dow Chemical, maybe they're a subsidiary or something, but they sound important. And this foam right here is a proprietary foam made with those guys. So you're not going to see this anywhere except for on the Under Armour Hover or on future Under Armour shoes. But Under Armour has the rights to this. I believe Under Armour has the rights to this. But the hover cushioning system isn't just this proprietary foam midsole. It also has this portion in the center that is actually covered by what is being called the energy web. It is a mesh fabric that wraps around the cushioning core to deliver strong responsiveness and energy return. As you can see, the cushioning core is inside this red energy web, and this energy web is supposed to increase the responsiveness and energy return, hence the name energy web. So all this working together is what's going to give runners the advantage when you're running. It should allow them to perform better and experience less fatigue. Pretty much with this proprietary foam, the shoe is absorbing some of the impact that the runner feels, because the runner essentially feels 2 to 4 times their body weight when they're running on their feet. And that is what makes this proprietary cushioning system special. With that being said, I'm definitely going to try these out. I'm not much of a runner, but I'm definitely going to use that Map My Run app just to see how it works, just because I'm a curious soul. Once again, I'm going to leave the link in the description below, so if you guys want to check these out, go ahead, check them out. I think Under Armour is doing big things here, and I think they finally hit the nail on the head. Like, this product is really dope. The Map My Run app is actually really popular, and a lot of runners already use it. That's already something to think about if you're a runner and you're interested in a new pair of shoes. With that being said, though, I'll leave the rest of my comments for the full review. If you took anything from this video, please hit that like button or that subscribe button or both. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to run in these. Shout out to Under Armour for pulling out all the stops in the packaging. With that being said, Pixelated out.